The Heartbeat Act is at the center of a nationwide debate as Texas urges the Supreme Court to leave the abortion law in place. KETK's Lauren Margolis spoke with East Texas State Senator Brian Hughes, who wrote the legislation. She's here now with his thoughts about being in the national spotlight, as well as a wrap up of our state's third special session. Lauren.
That's right, Casey. State Senator Hughes talked about everything from how government money is being used to help East Texas to the latest on his heartbeat law in the courts.
The Heartbeat Act has been a hot topic since it was signed by Governor Abbott, and even more so since taking effect less than 2 months ago.
We've been sued by the Biden administration, the ACLU, Planned Parenthood, the Satanic Temple. I've got a stack of lawsuits on my desk.
The Texas law bans abortions starting about 6 weeks into a pregnancy and is enforced through civil lawsuits against anyone who helps a person get an abortion.
We all understand that heartbeat is the universal sign of life.
The Justice Department feels the law is unconstitutional, but State Senator Brian Hughes argues it's in place to save lives and support expecting mothers by showing them other options.
We increased funding to $100 million for that program to help mothers who are facing difficult pregnancies, not sure what to do. So tangible help.
State Senator Hughes says it normally takes a case 3 or 4 years to make it all the way to the Supreme Court, but adds that he welcomes the judicial process.
The Supreme Court, ever since the 1980s, has been chipping away at Roe versus Wade, limiting that ruling and giving more states authority to protect little unborn babies. So that's going to continue.
And as the Heartbeat Act made its way in the courts, the work was not over in Austin for state lawmakers. Just this week, they wrapped up a third special session and fourth meeting overall.
The money that's being spent, we want to make sure that it's going to the right places, to legitimate roles for government. And when that happens, I've got to make sure that it's coming to East Texas, to the people that I represent.
One of the main accomplishments was the distribution of federal COVID-19 relief money, a lot of it coming to East Texas.
We're going to see some of that money coming back here for higher ed, for UT Health Science Center.
The money is also going towards health care.
Rural hospitals like those that service in East Texas, when they're doing work and they're helping people and need help for COVID, for responding to all this going on, there's going to be money available for them.
And another win, a tax cut could be coming to Texas homeowners.
When we have a budget surplus, we need to take that surplus and first of all think about the taxpayers.
That will be an option on the ballot next year.
State Senator Hughes says he believes the law will be upheld because, quote, it's about protecting innocent human life. When it comes to the new congressional map for the state senator says the changes reflect the Texas population. Live in studio, Lauren Margolis, KETK News.